Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of brief. Of short duration. For example, he made a brief visit to Paris to attend 2 concerts. American pronunciation. Brief. Brief. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Brief. Say. Brief. Brief means of short duration. Brief. Brief. Brief origin. Middle English is derived from Old French short, Latin brevis, short. The late Latin breve denotes notice, dispatch, and is therefore an official letter. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. It consists of regularly scheduled, brief office visits. Now, repeat after me. It consists of regularly scheduled, brief office visits. The second practice. Formal psychotherapy is difficult in a brief office visit. Now, repeat after me. Formal psychotherapy is difficult in a brief office visit.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.